Okay, let's see how this process works. In this process, we're assuming the operation involves only two types of boxes, tall ones and short ones. Keep in mind that M0, M1, and M2 are not physical components. These represent memory bits within the PLC, assigned in our ladder program. We'll explore how we utilize these memories in our ladder program a little later. When we press the Start Push button, an internal memory bit called M0 should become high. Additionally, this integrated system should begin operation. As demonstrated, a tall box moves along the entry conveyor, reaching the sensors known as the top sensor and bottom sensors. What will happen next in the process? Because the box is tall, both the top and bottom sensors are activated. Same time M1 and M2 memories comes to high, this signals to the system that it's a tall box. As a result, the entry conveyor stops temporarily to let the box go through the sorting process. Failing to do so could jeopardize the entire operation. After the system identifies the presence of a tall box, the sorting arm begins its operation, altering the box's path as illustrated here. Once the box reaches the S2 sensor, both M1 and M2 memory will reset to a low state. Additionally, based on the signal received from this sensor, the entry conveyor restarts to bring another box onto the sorting conveyor. Simultaneously, the sorting arm reverts to its original position. When a short box arrives at both the top and bottom sensors, only the bottom sensor will activate. As a result, only the M1 memory is set to a high state while M2 remains low. This indicates to the system that the box is short. During this phase, the entry conveyor needs to halt until the box sorting process is finished. At this point, the sorter arm remains inactive, allowing the box to continue along the sorting conveyor. This time, the box will be detected by the S1 sensor. When the box reaches the S1 sensor, the M1 memory will reset to a low state. Furthermore, the entry conveyor restarts based on the signal received from this sensor. This cycle repeats continuously. S1 and S2 sensors have a dual role. They are used to count the different types of boxes individually and also play a part in recognizing when the sorting process is finished. If we press the Reset Push button or activate the emergency stop, M0 immediately resets to a low state, resulting in the complete halt of the entire process. Alright, let's take a look at how the factory I/O scene appears.